density of the nuclear density. Okay, density of the nucleus is defined as density of the nucleus equal to mass of the nucleus divided by volume of the nucleus. Okay, then m into a is the mass number and 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of the sphere or volume of the nucleus. Then 3 into m into a divided by 4 pi r cube. Then r is directly proportional to a to the power 1 by 3 is equal to r0 into a to the power 1 by 3. R is equal to r0 into a to the power 1 by 3. R to the power 1 by 3 is directly proportional to a. Then we get this value. R0 is the size of the nucleus. Okay, we put this value of r in this value, it will be put in this r. Then 3m into a divided by 4 into pi into r0 a whole to the power whole cube, a to the power a 1 by 3 whole to the power cube is equal to 3 into m into a divided by 4 pi r0 cube into a to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power cube. This 3 will be cancelled. Then 3m into a divided by 4 pi r0 cube into a. Okay, a will be cancelled. Then 3m divided by 4 pi r0 cube. Okay, then we know the value m is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg, and r naught, that is the size of the nucleus, is 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 15, 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Then we put this value 3 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 whole divided by 4 into 3.141 into 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 whole cube is equal to 2.3 into 10 to the power 17 kg per meter cube. This is the density of the nucleus, and density is independent of does not depend on density is independent of mass number, independent of mass number. Thank you.